The transmission medium is the physical path between transmitter and receiver in a data transmission system. Transmission media can be classified as guided or unguided. In both cases, communication is in the form of electromagnetic waves. With guided media, the waves are guided along a solid medium such as copper twisted pair, copper coaxial cable, and optical fiber. The atmosphere and outer space are examples of unguided media that provide a means of transmitting electromagnetic signals but do not guide them. This form of transmission is usually referred to as wireless transmission. The characteristics and quality of a data transmission are determined both by the characteristics of the medium and the characteristics of the signal. In the case of guided media, the medium itself is more important in determining the limitations of transmission. For unguided media, the bandwidth of the signal produced by the transmitting antenna is more important than the medium in determining transmission characteristics. One key property of signals transmitted by antenna is directionality. In general, signals at lower frequencies are omnidirectional. That is, the signal propagates in all directions from the antenna. At higher frequencies, it is possible to focus the signal into a directional beam. In considering the design of data transmission systems, a key concern generally is data rate and distance. The greater the data rate and distance, the better. A number of design factors relating to the transmission medium and to the signal determine the data rate and distance. So those design factors are firstly bandwidth. All other factors remaining constant, the greater the bandwidth of a signal, the higher the data rate that can be achieved. Next, transmission impairments. Impairments such as attenuation, limit the distance. For guided media, twisted pair generally suffer more impairment than coaxial cable, which in turn suffers more than optical fiber. Thirdly, interference. Interference from competing signals in overlapping frequency bands can distort or wipe out a signal. Interference is of particular concern for unguided media, but it is also a problem with guided media. For guided media, interference can be caused by emanations from nearby cables. For example, twisted pair are often bundled together and conduits often carry multiple cables. Interference can also be experienced from unguided transmissions. Proper shielding of a guided medium can minimize this problem. Number of receivers. A guided medium can be used to construct a point-to-point link or a shared link with multiple attachments. In the latter case, each attachment introduces some attenuation and distortion on the line, limiting distance and or the data rate. So we'll be examining these guided and unguided alternatives. Firstly, let us discuss the guided media transmission. Okay, so for guided transmission media, the transmission capacity in terms of either data rate or bandwidth depends critically on the distance and on whether the medium is point-to-point or multi-point, such as in a local area network. So the three guided media commonly used for data transmission are twisted pair, coaxial cable, and optical fiber. So firstly, we'll talk about the physical description of the twisted pair. A twisted pair consists of two insulated copper wires arranged in a regular spiral pattern. A wire acts as a single communication link. Typically, a number of these pairs are bundled together into a cable by wrapping them in a tough protective sheath. Over long distances, cables may contain hundreds of pairs. The twisting tends to decrease the crosstalk interference between adjacent pairs in a cable. So neighboring pairs in a bundle typically have somewhat different twist lengths to reduce the crosstalk interference. On the long distance links, the twist length typically varies from 2 to 6 inches. The wires in a pair have thickness of from 0.016 to 0.036 inches. The applications and the transmission characteristics would be discussed in the next video lecture. Okay, thank you.